So here's an example of night latching. You remove a small amount of metal here so that your trap pan and dog look more like this one, where when it's up and you set it, you go drop down, you hear that audible click. It's good for setting night, stuff like that. Whatever. I use a Dremel tool. Some people use a file. You can do whichever one you want. Here we'll line up. There, and that makes quick work making a night latch. Works perfect. The only thing you're gonna have to do is probably gonna have to bend this ear in or out, depending, in order to get your trap pan level. I use a crescent wrench and pull and push, whatever. It gives me the leverage I need to get them where I need them so they're nice and flat. Shut up out of my way a little bit. Listen for the click. Here, click. Now, it's way too high, so we got to adjust it. When I take my crescent wrench and I just give it a little. Might have gone a little too much. Let's see. Click. Yeah, see, a little too low. Now it won't fire. There we go. A little bit. Hold on to it and give it a little bit. Didn't need much. Okay, let's see if that did it. Click. Yeah, I'd say that. I'd say that'll work. Maybe a little tweak, just a little touch more, but even with it be a night latch, you could bring it down just a touch more. Perfect. Good to go.